Hello, good morning, afternoon, evening, teacher. We are Santiago Saucedo and Emmanuel Guzman, and we present the tutorial how to install Angular CLI.
Well, uh, first you must download and install Visual Studio Code, and you must also download and install Node.js. Um, then we to go to the that we have to go to the Angular CLI page and the to the section called to docs and the section setup. We are going to the copy the first code apart, but before install it, we to create we are project in save, but before install it we have to create a folder a folder we our project is safe to the to this folder. We are going to call as we walk English, for example. English. Now they open the Visual Studio Code and they open the open the folder and the terminal. English, the folder English. Open. Yes. Terminal. New terminal. And place the first place the first code and the Angular CLI via install. What? Nothing install. Generate Angular CLI. You might use Visual Studio Code or terminal your computer terminal. Sorry, to install Angular CLI. Just install it.
To create the first project, you must enter the Visual Terminal and enter the command engineer along with the name of your project or your application. In this case, it will be engineer English model. Okay. Okay, we have to waiting the the program finish it creating our application. Okay, then it will ask you if you want to add Angular routing to you in your app. Sorry, you can say yes or not. In this case, I say not. I don't want Angular routing. Okay. Then it will give you a menu of style sheet option. You can choose the style sheet that best suit you to work. In which case you should use CCS, SCCS, SICSS, or less. In this case, I choose the style sheet CSS. Okay, once you have choose the style sheet, sorry, you must waiting for the process uh, of creating your new web application with Angular to finish. This process will be long. Okay, when the process is finished, you must position yourself in the folder where your file is located or or to be able to run it. Okay, cd um, okay, click enter. Okay, once the process is finished, to be able to run or your Angular application and be able to observe it in or browse, you must enter the ng serve command within the visual terminal. Okay, ng serve. Okay, the process may take a while, but it is some a matter of the program. Okay, you must waiting for the process to finish, and once it is finished, it will tell you which port application is listening to, and you only have to put localhost uh, 4000 in the browser, like like this, like here, and which which is the default port in Angular, and you will be able to visualize your first application with Angular CLI. And this is all for us, teacher. Thanks very much.